guys, today we are gonna make some Play-Doh. So maybe you can help us by preparing us. This is Nathan, this is Kissy. So let's get started.
Give a like on our videos.
Yes, and subscribe. Okay, so first,
Hit the like button. Hit the like button
over there. So,
and put a comment.
okay, just be quiet, okay? Hey, sorry about him. Okay, so we're gonna make a funny video today. He's all gonna make the funny things. I'm gonna make all the fair things.
Okay, can I have the blue one?
Later, okay? You see I'm still talking? He already started it. Even we're not starting the video, he's still making us laugh. So, what do you want? Sky is already over there. You can get all the blue. Super annoying. He's super annoying.
I heard that.
Sorry. You can open it. Okay, so show them what are you gonna make. Show them what are you gonna make.
I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make a love.
Mine is color purple because you know girls like purple. Okay, so we have this bucket full of the Play-Doh. We have this bucket full of the videos. Actually, my hands are super slippery. That's why they fall.
Okay, let's get. I want the bucket and
He wants this bucket like a sandcastle.
yeah, and like this.
Yeah,
with the
a
foot.
spade. With
Like
with the foot, and you put Play-Doh will be circled, and you
And-
do like that and put some foot like this foot here. It keeps on falling down because my hands are slippery. So like this on the video. You
If
see
you
this?
fall it one more time, I'll end the video.
Yeah, and everybody will laugh, and everybody will subscribe, and we will be the stars of our video. Yeah. So you better come back to our show, Nathan and Kissy show.
No, it's called.
Yeah,
The
we're super
show.
annoying right now, and you're very annoying than me. So come on, let's just get started.
The Play-Doh and Neon Kishi.
Yes, this is the purple. What it looks like, it's super nice.
And I have the blue one. It's squishy.
Yeah, all the boys like the blue, we like purple if the girls watch it. Okay, now so let's get started. I'm going to make a fish because you don't know how to make a body, but I know how. So I'm gonna make the how dare you?
I'm gonna give you a cake.
Mine, you're not. Are you gonna make food? Is this a food?
Yep.
You're gonna make a sandcastle on a food. Everybody will choke. You can squish it.
Hey, Kishi,
Oh, it mixed it.
Kishi?
Well, that's okay. It's just a bit.
I was just like this in sports, and then you just bumped into me.
Yeah. Come on, let's just get started. You're super annoying right now. See? What I said, he also said. He's super silly. Mine is the yellow and the white. We're gonna share the blue, or you don't want the blue?
I like all the blues.
Okay, fine. You have the blue. But we'll just share, okay?
Okay.
He's super annoying. You hear that?
I see you.
Yes, because
Look
I
at
did
the
whisper.
fishy tail. Fish.
Stop it. He's making a lot of funny things right now. Well, later we're gonna send it on the YouTube because. And you better like and subscribe. Okay, don't forget that one. I know we always say that, but we're kids, so we always forget things. But we're not. See him? He's super funny, and I don't even laugh at it. He keep doing it on me. And if I do it on him, he locked it. It's not me because, you know.
Subscribe in a bucket.
Stop it. See, we're making a video. Are you not shy of the fans? Actually, next time, if you subscribe us, we're gonna visit your house. If it's, you know, close to our house. Well, I hope you enjoy our video. Okay?
Come on,
Actually,
guys, let's-
these are my Play-Dohs. We're not brothers, but brothers.
No, we're
I'm a
sister.
sister. No, we're not sister. Are you a girl?
I'm a brother.
Stop it. He's so silly. I don't like your attitude, mister.
I don't like your attitude, bitches.
Seriously. He's serious. He's always serious. Sometimes he's not serious because he's always crazy and you don't even believe on him.
I heard that.
Trust me, I don't believe on you. I don't believe on you. See, he always falls the Play-Doh.
Subscribe for the star.
Be quiet. Our brother is sleeping so that we won't be super noisy. But if we're outside, we can be super noisy, but not as loud because this guy is crazy.
I heard that.
What did I say?
This guy is crazy. You said,
I said he's super annoying, okay? He's super annoying. That's the truth. Oh. Yay, I got the Play-Doh.
Some more Play-Doh so I can roll it.
You're super silly. You know what? You need to go to the hospital.
You're super silly. You need to go to the hospital.
Seriously, you want to follow me? I don't.
Seriously, you wanna follow me?
Can you be quiet? I'm sleepy.
Where's the roller?
He's super funny. I don't know where's the ruler. Hey, dude, I'm sexy. He's super funny. I don't like him.
He's super funny. I don't like him.
He's always following me. Hey, do you know what 16 plus 16?
16 plus 6. 60.
Are you sure?
Subscribe for that.
Okay. Wait, okay. The correct answer, Nathan, is 32. 6 plus 6 is 12, so you put the 2 there, 1 at the top, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, so the answer is 32. Am I correct? Subscribe! Subscribe for that, because I have the correct answer and he has the unsubscribe. But like our video even if you got wrong, because I'm the master at math. You know that? You know that? You know that?
I heard you.
Sometimes we fight.
Sometimes you don't.
He always starts the fight.
No, she did.
Remember when I punched at the back and I could see you? Remember there when we played the Shopao Shaman? Yeah.
Yeah.
And mommy said you do like this now. Mommy, don't do that. He looks like a baby. Thumbs up. Okay, why are we even fighting right now? We're supposed to do the video. We're not concentrating. Oh no, I keep on saying Play-Dohs. It's too much. Hey, I'm gonna make the body right now.
What?
You want me to put Play-Doh on your face? Because I think you want to. Hey. Okay, so
I need to get my finger.
are we just going down? I'm super funny right now.
Guys, don't subscribe.
Stop that. Okay, so we're gonna keep the Play-Dohs already because we're already gonna clean up. Okay, so wait for a minute. We're gonna clean up. Okay,
Still rolling.
5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Be quiet. So here's the cup. I'll show you what the things we have. Okay, first is I said stop already. Okay, we're gonna continue our video, okay? So I'm gonna show you mommy.
Okay, guys, we'll be right back in 58 seconds.
58? No, it's 10 seconds. 10.
I'll press it.
I mean 10 minutes. Okay, so come on.
Guys,
I'm
we'll
gonna
be right back.
I'm gonna
okay?
be back. You stay there. guys, so we didn't use the white, so I'm gonna be super back. Oops, you get it.
I can't reach it.
Guys, thumbs up. Hawa, excuse me. Guys. Oh, you said thumbs up. Oh, I said she's up. Oh no, I can't reach it. That's okay. I don't need it anymore. Okay. Now, subscribe.
I need this blue.
Okay, so guys, oh my gosh, sorry, I fell on my chair. Okay, so this is what we have. First, we're gonna show you the Mr. Later na. I said enough Play-Doh. Right now, we're gonna play something else outside, okay? She's super annoying. First, we're gonna show you the Play-Doh. I'm gonna show all the things. She's so crazy. Okay, fine. I'll let you show up the things. Okay. First is we have the blue. Says here is the blue. Don't watch. Okay. Cover at the ipang. Okay. Here's the blue one. Next, we have the yellow one. Especially Play-Doh. Okay, and we have orange. I don't sure if it's orange or brown. We have a bucket that is beep, 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 beep.
I have a fish head. Fish.
This is the fish head.
Fish tail. I already show you
Stop
that.
it.
Fish store.
Stop, Dion, stop. This, we had a knife. You know what's a knife? This is a knife, okay? A knife. Like you.
A fishy tail.
A fish tail. And we have a starfish.
I already showed that to the guys.
And
I gotta show that video.
this is a spade. And give me
The roller.
yes, the ruler. It's for the
Ruler? I thought it was roller. You said
a
ruler.
spade. It's a ruler. Okay. Okay, so bye guys. I hope you like our video. Thumbs up and click the like button over
And
subscribe.
yeah, subscribe. Bye guys.